right, so here's your small top collection. This is exciting. We're gonna use this 1.5 inch for your smoothing today.
Okay.
We're gonna use the 1 inch for that gorgeous like blowout waves.
Yeah.
And then for our curls and beachy waves, we're gonna use the 3/4 inch.
I can't wait.
Yay. All right, super easy. So just kind of plug in. This is on unlock, right?
Okay.
And then you just switch that little to lock.
Ah.
Okay. And now we can power it on. So we're gonna smooth. So why don't we go ahead and put it all the way up to the 395.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, so Matt, we're just gonna section this off because when you're smoothing, it's good to take the right size sections and take your time. So I just like to work my way up. And all you're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead and take this through slowly a couple times first. I love just kind of getting it from roots to ends to pass through so there's no knotting. Then nice and tight, especially at the root because that's where you're the
curliest.
And then feel the tension.
Yes.
So just nice tension and coming down slow, and just let that fusion technology do its job. That barrel's actually gonna help you straighten it, shine it, smooth it, but still have really nice body at the same time. Just making that real slow.
Oh, I love that.
Super shiny.
Yeah.
Great. Nice tension, and then really nice and slow. Love it. And then literally just come. If you want to bevel that in under, just keep that same speed. It's perfect. Fantastic.
Wow. So if I wanted to add a little bit of curl, can I do it with this big of a barrel size?
Oh yeah, definitely. Like, just do the technique where you start at the top. Exactly. Brush through a couple times, which is nice. Exactly. And you're still going to go slow because we want to smooth it, of course. But at the same time, you can come down and spin as opposed to the beveling you were doing before. And then, yeah, you're just like a pro. Nice. All right, Mads, we're gonna use the 1 inch to give you some like body, even some curl and wave. So I always like to brush through that section. And then we are starting at the top. We do a nice full spin.
Okay.
Sometimes it's easy just to hold that there because now we're gonna spin all the way through.
Okay.
Okay, so like I'm coming out, spinning and holding it, making sure this is vertical the whole time. Don't go this way with it.
Right.
Because we don't want those teeth, the hair catching in the teeth. And I'll just spin and hold a few seconds until I get all the way down the section.
Love it.
Yeah, that's bouncy.
Yes.
You really got the hang of it there.
Yeah.
Great. It didn't take you that long to do it.
No.
Yeah. And you can now just go ahead and run your fingers through it. Look at that. Great body. What do you think?
I love it.
Oh, I love those soft waves. All right, so with this 3/4 inch, we're gonna get a lot of curl. So I love to go really tight at the top.
Okay.
Because you can. And as you can see, your hair's long enough, it's gonna wrap around this multiple times, but I'm just doing the same technique, right? And I like to hold there, and I'm just gonna spin that whole thing through the barrel and hold. Every time I do a spin and keep it vertical, I'm gonna hold it for about 5 seconds, just because I'm really going for a nice, tighter curl. Look at that. I love it. You did a great job. The curls are so beautiful. They're bouncy, they're full, they're shiny.
I love it.